Welcome to Vertiplex.io, the leader in AI-powered customer service solutions. We are thrilled to share how our cutting-edge technology can transform your business. At Vertiplex.io. We understand that exceptional customer service is the cornerstone of any successful company. Our advanced AI systems are designed to provide top-tier customer support 24/7, ensuring your customers receive the help they need, whenever they need it. Why choose Vertiplex.io? Here are just a few reasons. 1. Multilingual capabilities. Our AI is fluent in multiple languages, allowing us to serve a diverse customer base with ease. Whether your customers speak English, Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any other language, our AI can communicate effectively and efficiently. Point 2. Seamless integration. Vertiplex.io can seamlessly integrate with your existing systems, providing a smooth transition and ensuring that your operations remain uninterrupted. Our AI can mimic the work of your best human agents, delivering consistent and high-quality service across all touchpoints. Point 3. Personalized experience. We prioritize personalization. Our AI is equipped to understand and anticipate your customers' needs, providing tailored solutions and creating a more engaging and satisfying customer experience. Point 4. Cost-effective solution. By choosing Vertiplex.io, you can significantly reduce operational costs without compromising on quality. Our AI-powered services are scalable, allowing you to handle increased customer interactions without the need for additional human resources. Point 5. Continuous improvement. Our AI learns and evolves with every interaction, continually enhancing its performance and adapting to new challenges. This ensures that your customer service is always at the forefront of innovation. Imagine a world where every customer query is answered promptly, every issue is resolved efficiently, and every interaction leaves your customers delighted. That world is possible with Vertiplex.io. Join the many businesses that have already experienced the Vertiplex.io difference. Let us handle your customer service needs so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Thank you for considering Vertiplex.io. We look forward to partnering with you to create a brighter, more customer-centric future. Vertiplex.io, your ultimate customer service solution.